Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the iPhone features, and I'll let to show to you the way how you can know the time zone of other country depends on your time zones on your country right now only with your iPhone. You don't need to open any browser to find out the time of other country. You can just do this instead. Slide your screen to the left side and you just need to open the clock that you have here. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this bottom side, the play first section. Just go visit the world clock. The next thing you need to do is just go plus button on the top right corner, and then you just need to go pick which country, and you also need to choose the exact city that you want to know the time zone is. So let's say here I will let you want to know this Anchorage, USA. Go click it, and there'll be like shown here the time of the city right now. So I'm in Indonesia. This is the current time. You can see on my time here, but then on the USA it could be like 6 a.m. So that's today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this videos a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.